This is Antoinette Nikki style.
Welcome and welcome back. It's me again. Yes, I still have my braids. They will be with me for a few more weeks. But for now, I have some exciting news for myself. I'm excited. Well, it's not news, but I'm excited for myself to open up this box I received. I have not opened this box yet. I'm going to do it with you guys. This is the curl box. This is what it looks like on the inside. I'm really surprised that there is product on the outside of the box, but I don't know if it was just too much on the inside of the box already, that the outside, whatever. I've never done this before. I've never ordered from them before, so let's see. The curl box. It feels really heavy. Opening it, black tissue paper with a nice little card. I'm pretty sure to tell me what's all in the box.
This is the card that I mentioned. It definitely has all sorts of things on here to help you out with how to apply the products. I would definitely be using this. I'm super excited about this card because it was very informative.
Looks like they're doing the Luster's Pink line. I didn't really use this that much growing up, so this is going to be exciting to try this as a new product. This is the Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. Super Hydrate Shine Mask Conditioner. And then this is the Repair and Strengthen Mask. I almost thought it was the same product, but I'm definitely gonna need this when I take my braids down. And then this is the moisturizing lotion. The Lust Growth Oil. I might put some of that in my hair now because I can use oil. And more lotion. Is this the same thing? Oh, okay, one is Growth and Scalp Relief Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. And this one is Repair and Strengthen Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. Either way, if it's strengthening and repairing, I can use all of that. So I'm excited. And that's it in this box. She's stepping on the bubble wrap. I found out about them on Instagram. So this is a little card. Just curl box. I'm gonna let you guys know how these work for me when I use them, but I just want to do a quick unboxing with you guys to show you what's in my box. I do want to smell it though. It smells really good. It's like a thick butter consistency. This is giving perfume. It smells really good. Peppermint oil is really strong in this one. It's not my favorite. It's castor oil, peppermint oil, aloe, and vitamin E. This one doesn't really have a smell. one smells a lot like that one. The growth blend, the vitamin E tea tree. This is a monthly subscription box. I don't know if I would keep that. People gonna smell me from a mile away when I put this in my hair. If I would have had this at the beginning of my braids, then I could really judge the growth if it's working, because it will be able to show me my new growth easily with the braids. But however, I was expecting different products. I was expecting different products. I wasn't expecting one solid line, but I really like that it's one solid line so that I can like get the best results, because sometimes when you mix products, you don't get the best results. So again, I'm gonna let you guys know. You're gonna be right there with me when I try these products out. So check it out. Let me know if you guys also subscribe to the Curl Box monthly subscription, and if it works for you. If you did it once or twice, or you still do it, just let me know. I'm excited about this, to try something different and see how it takes with my hair. I'm super excited about the strengthening and hydrating, especially since my hair didn't really bounce back like it normally would with my curls. So I'm definitely excited to take my hair down, and this will probably be the first thing I use. Okay, so yes, I'm excited to try these out. This will be my go-to. I'll probably do a wash and go to see how my curls bounce back. And it has the strengthening things in there, so that's definitely going to help. And yes, I will be getting one for next month, because that did come out of my account already. So I'll have at least 2 curl box unboxing videos for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you follow me to the end, you should have it. It was so quick. But again, let me know in the comments if you want to do something like this, or if you already do, or if you have other subscriptions that have other things in them. I always like getting like little goodies in the mail. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload.